everyone. In today's video, I'll be telling you about South India's biggest robotics and coding competition, RW2024. So in this competition, we'll be having a coding championship. I'll be telling you about the rules and the eligibility criteria for the same. So in this competition, the participants can either participate individually or in a group of two. The participants need to build an application, animation, or a game on the theme which is automation and technology, the future of smart industries. The categories are there. So the competition takes place in two categories. One is the junior category, which has age 6 to 9. The students need to participate in this and make a project on the theme with the platform called Scratch MIT application. They can either make a game or an animation. While the senior category, aging from 10 to 15 years of age, have to use MIT App Inventor to make a game or an application based on the same theme. The flow of competition will be in 3 rounds. The first round will be the selection round. So in the selection round, the students need to make a video presentation of their project and have to submit it on ibacademy4you.com. They have to send it along with their name, age, school information, and the video drive link of the project. Based on this video recording, the students will be selected for the next round because of their readiness and the coding knowledge that they showcase in that. The second round will be the regional round. So the regional round will happen in Lawrence High School, HSR Layout, Bangalore on 23rd of November 2024. Over here, the students are supposed to bring their laptops in which they'll have their project and they'll have to showcase their project to the judges. The judges can ask for any challenge there, can ask them to make any changes to their coding and can also see their project and ask them to explain it to them. Based on their explanation and their showcasing knowledge of coding, they'll be shortlisted for the final round which will happen later in Vadodara, Gujarat. Here, the students have to upgrade their project, but the basic concept of their project should remain the same. The marking scheme for both the regional and the final round will be as follows. They will be given 20 marks for the look of their project, 20 marks for the relevance of the theme, 20 marks for their coding understanding, and the next 20 marks for their on-the-spot coding challenge. The last 20 will be their presentation skills. So in total, you will have a 100 score or mark system. Based on that, the student will be given awards which are in the category of champion, the first runner-up and the second runner-up. So you have 3 awards. I'll tell you about certain examples that you can make projects on. For example, you can make project on smart agriculture, where a student can depict an animation, an application or a game based on platform according to their category, and they can show like there's a drone having an irrigation system to the entire farm. You can also make a project showcasing the smart city where everything is automated. These are certain examples that you can make or take reference from for your projects. The competition will take place at Lawrence High School, HSR, Bangalore. The last date to submit your video recording to ibacademy4you@gmail.com is 15th of November 2024. So don't forget to submit your video recordings latest by 15th of November 2024. The selection round is based on your video recordings. While the regional round is on 23rd of November, don't forget to bring your laptops and accessories where you have your project inside. So we are waiting for your presence and your project ideas to join us on 23rd of November 2024. Thank you.